हाय स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ एस एस सिंह। वेलकम टू माय न्यू वीडियो। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द लेसन ए लेटर टू गॉड। प्लीज नोट डाउन इट। व्हाट वर लेंचोस फीलिंग व्हेन द हेल स्टॉप्ड। तो ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो इसके लिए आप इसका आंसर नोट करें। Answer is Lencho felt completely broken. The hell had left nothing. He felt that they would have no corn or seed that year. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Please note down its answer. Lencho had faith in God. He felt that God's eyes saw everything. So he wrote a letter to God. Next question is, how did the postmaster help Lencho? Please note down its answer. The postmaster helped Lencho by sending money on behalf of God. Lencho had written a letter to God to help him with money. The postmaster did not want to shake Lencho's faith in God, so he collected money and sent to Lencho. Please note down next question. Where was Lencho's house situated? Why did he sit seeing the sky? Note down its answer. Lencho's house was situated in a valley. It was the only one in the entire valley. It was on the crest of a low hill. One could see the river and the field of ripe corn from here. Lencho sat the whole day looking at the sky for rains. It was because his crop needed the rain to ripen. Next question is, Lencho calls the raindrops new coins. Why does he call them so? Note down answer. Lencho looked at the raindrops. He compared them to new coins of money. It is because the crop needed rain badly. The rain was coming in the drop. Now coins are money. A good crop would means money. So the crop were money for Lencho, so he compared them with coins. Next question is, how do you think the postmaster felt when he received Lencho's second letter? What do you think he did? Note down its answer. I think the postmaster had never expected such a reply from Lencho. When he had received such a letter from Lencho, he could have laughed much. He would have been more glad to see Lencho's great faith in God. The postmaster would also have wondered at the simplicity of Lencho. He would have felt happy to see Lencho as a great worshipper of God. He was a kind-hearted fellow. He also had a great wish to have such faith in God like Lencho. So he would have asked his friend to contribute to 30 pesos. He would have sent it to Lencho. Next question is, how was Lencho's crop destroyed? How did he ask God for help? Note down its answer. Lencho was a hard-working farmer. He depended completely on his field for his living. He expected a rich harvest that year. Only a little rain was needed for the crop to ripen, but it rained heavily. It was followed by hailstorm. The crop was completely destroyed. It was a great blow to Lencho. He feared that his family would starve without food. Also, he had no seed for the next harvest. Next question is, give a character sketch of Lencho. Lencho is a very simple hearted person. He is a poor farmer. He works very hard in his field. He depends for his livelihood on his crop. If his crops are good, he is happy. If they are destroyed by the seasonal changes, he is unhappy. Lencho has a firm faith in God. He sees God the only hope when the hailstorm has destroyed his crop. Lencho is very honest and straightforward. He is far from any deception or dishonesty. He is not afraid to speak the truth. He calls the post office employees crooks. It is because he thinks they have stolen his money sent to him by God. This way he can also be called a fool. सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे आपके कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर जो आपके लिए 99% हेल्पफुल हो सकते हैं अच्छे मार्क्स अचीव करने में, और आप इनकी अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करिए और अच्छे मार्क्स गेन करिए। इसी के साथ हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। दैट्स ऑल।